How's it going, everyone? Alright, what I'm going to show you guys here is I found a very weird loophole in how to change the destination signs on Jeff Morris's IRT Subway cars. So the train, of course, I put on the map is Jeff Morris's R12, R14 Subway cars. Just to give you guys a little bit of an example of how I can change the destination signs to my desired route and play it. So, of course, I'm playing this on Trainz 12. I'm pretty sure that this same method can still be workable if you have Trainz A New Era. I don't have that version, of course, because it's on an old laptop, but so I've been dealing with Trainz 12 for quite some time. So I found out this really weird loophole. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into first the destination table. Go to edit session rules. Go down, click on the destination table, and of course I'm going to have to then remove this old set of destinations. This is from a previous subway car that I was playing with. Go to import destination texture group. The next part is I go down to R12 textures, and I click on that to bring that in there. Alright, so now some of these IRT subway car files, they'll have a really screwed up coding. You see at the bottom underneath the number 7 train sign, that's of course it says unidentified destination. That's actually a screwed up coding for where I guess it's for the 42nd Street shuttle. So in anything, you might want to just remove that, and it'll just be routes 1 through 7. Since I have the R12 train, of course, sitting in the Livonia Avenue yard, because I'm playing this in the 2012 layout, which has the yards. So I'll just change this maybe to a number 4 train. And of course this pop-up comes about where it says change entry and the number 4 train route. I'm not sure if you can see it clearly. It's pretty choppy, but whatever. So click on the check and you click on out, and you go back to the little question mark bubble to edit the properties, and you click on that, then click on that train, and this comes up. So you go to route selection, see where the sign, well, it says 1. Since I already had it set as a number 4 train, I'm going to change this from 1 to number 4 express train, because that's what I had it at. It's a very weird process, but I'm explaining it the best detailed way possible. Alright, click on that again, 4 express. Doing on all of them. 4 express. Alright, so after you set the destination as the number 4 train, see where it has return, change this to outbound. Because when you go to play it, then it's gonna show you outbound. So I'm trying to explain this again, the best way possible, just so you know. So I click on out there. Now you see where the R12 is now signed up as a 4 train on the map. Okay, cool. So the next part, I'll definitely show you in the, well, when I play it in Surveyor. So hold on just for one moment as I show you in Surveyor. Okay, so sorry about the editing. I had to do some weird processing. When you go into Surveyor, it takes you into like another part of the map. But anyway, we're back at the Livonia Avenue yard in the layout. Still with the layout. With the R12, you notice how after I changed the destination sign, of course, in the on the map, I'll show you the really weird process. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the destination sign. So this is where the part's going to get really tricky. So what we're going to do is I'm going to change the destination sign to the number 4 train. See, I clicked on 4 train. The sign is still marked shuttle. I don't know why it's backed up like that, but that was weird. You're gonna have to forgive me for, you know, my editing skills really sucks, but whatever. I'm just showing you how the whole thing works. So what I'm gonna do is now go to, after changing the destination sign as a 4 train, the sign on the train you still see is marked as a shuttle train. Alright, so I'm gonna move this little icon here so y'all can see it. So the tricky part is that you have to change the destination sign from the last car of the train and not the first car, because the weird part about it is, like, when you play with like the B division subway cars or the Staten Island subway cars, it's easier to change the destination from the first car with no problem. With the IRT subway cars, it's really weird process. So now that you see that this little icon came up, see where it says route direction, says return, click outbound, and there you have it. It went from shuttle to now a 4 train. So you can actually operate this as a number 4 train. So just remember, when you change the destination sign on the IRT subway cars, you're changing it from the last car and not the first. And some of the other subway car files for the IRT division, they have like a really screwed up coding. Once again, I think is mainly from the R12 to the Redbird Subway car files. You know, the R26, 28, 29, 33, and 36. They have that really screwed up table where it says unidentified destination, because that's supposed to be for the 42nd Street shuttle. So always remember, if you're going to play with, let's say for instance, the R17 subway car from Jeff Morris, always go to that destination sign table and remove where it says unidentified destination. I'm hoping that this helps. So you can try this out with all of the IRT subway cars and trains. Now, if you change the destination signs on subway cars, like for instance Jeff Morris's R142 subway cars, it's got all the routes 1 through 7, and of course the 42nd Street shuttle, which the table is not screwed up. It's going to show fully 1 train, 2 train, 3 train, 4 train, 5 train, 6, 7, and shuttle trains. So just remember, only from the R12 to the Redbird files, they have that unidentified destination table. Just remove that, and then you do the whole process of changing the destination sign. So once again, I hope that this helps, and you know, hope you guys get to try it out, play it, and enjoy. You know, peace.